one of the things that I want to ask you is, do those needles hurt, and how does it work with the needles?
That's typically the first question most people have is, does it hurt? Or people might bring up the fact that they do have a little bit of needle hesitancy. So acupuncture needles themselves are so thin, you can fit over 20 of them into the hole of a hypodermic needle. That's how thin the acupuncture needles are. The needles themselves, they are made by machine, sterilized by sterilization gas. The first human that ever touches the acupuncture needle is the acupuncturist, and when they're taken out of the patient, just put into a medical waste sharps container and disposed of. So the acupuncture itself, the sensation, sometimes someone might feel a slight electrical sensation every once in a while. So let's just use an example of 10 needles inserted in a person. Maybe one of those needles you might actually feel for like a second, a slight nerve sensation. For one of those needles also you might feel slight pinchiness. So not pain, but pinchiness for no more than 2 to 3 seconds, typically 1 second, and then it passes. A lot of patients will be completely surprised when I put an acupuncture needle in them and they don't feel anything at all, because there is this expectation that you're having a needle inserted, there should probably be some aspect of pain, and there's just not.